put it on that opening for now.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. That'll work.
Actually, I'll probably just leave it kind of like that right there.
Okay.
If it should get really super cold in the next couple of weeks, you know, down in the 40s or even maybe the 30s again, you can push it all the way up against the wall. But
Okay.
right now, we'll just leave it like that.
Okay.
Believe it or not, they'll get out of that easily.
Right.
They can squeeze right out of that.
Okay.
Okay, we'll smoke the front right there. Alright, but hold that, please. Sorry. Ready?
Yeah. So most of the frames you're just going to put in there with bees on them. You don't
I'm dropping all
just
of
drop them
right
all
in there.
Right. And they're going to go in the way they're.
I took the beetle trap out for transport.
Okay.
Why you don't see that?
Seems so wrong to do that. Man, stupid smoke on that. Now they're getting uppity.
I'm surprised it didn't boil out.
Right.
But that's good. There's some really good bees right here. They've always been very calm.
So they're going to go in just the way they are.
Exactly right.
So this should be all brood.
Well, there's going to be food frames and brood, but yes. The main objective is that you got, this is food, that's pollen and honey.
Okay.
See all that pollen in there?
What am I looking at for pollen?
See all that orange stuff down in there?
Orange stuff.
See it
Okay.
down in there?
Yep.
And then this is all honey
Okay.
right here.
So the orange is the pollen and the yellow is the honey.
Yep.
Okay.
Go ahead. Now, being very, very careful. We don't want to kill the queen right now.
Yes.
No doubt.
Should
This is a brood frame right here.
we be looking for the queen right now?
No, well, not necessarily. We need to just do a transfer. There's
Okay.
the queen right there.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at it. Okay.
Nice and easy. And you press it up against that other frame. Because you don't want to pinch her. Man, these bees are really super gentle. I'm pleasantly surprised. So fellas, a reminder, don't ever do anything with bees without smoke. And I need y'all to wait 1 week before you go in this hive.
Okay.
Alright?
1 week. Mitchell asked me that. I said, I don't know. We'll find out.
You see how I'm just barely using any of this smoke? I'm not using a lot of smoke. Just a little bit. That's all it takes.
Let me see your.
Where's your hive tool?
I don't know. I didn't have it with me. It's in the truck, I think. I kept everything in the truck because that's where I'm going to be in when I go to do something. But that's different now.
Yep.
Boy, this is heavy. Look at all that honey.
And we got these in there just in time because they're
Time to get active.
well, they're just, you know, I don't want them to get congested where they get in swarm mode and they want to
Yeah, they're
leave.
pretty full.
5 frames of bees with a laying queen. That's the deal. And you got 3 frames of brood. 1, 2, 3, and these are food frames.
Come on, girls.
There's a beetle.
There's a
Can't
beetle at the
always get 'em.
bottom.
Yeah, you're
They're
gonna.
all putting their
you're
butts
gonna
up
see
right
some.
there.
Yeah, you see that? See how it's my niche?
What?
They're fanning their wings. They're sending out the scent. The scent, the pheromone that says this is where a home is.
Set them up.
You're gonna need to feed these. Don't let them run out of feed.
Okay.
All right.
Sugar
So
water.
that sugar water's a little better than 1 to 1. I usually do about 1.5 sugar to
Okay.
1.
Thanks, sir.
Mhm.
So now go ahead and put the lid on, right?
You gonna dump those bees?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
And what we'll do is we'll just take these off.
Super hive beetle.
Yeah. And we'll take this and
Lean out
prop
front.
the entrance up against there.
I think I got one on me.
Let's start the marching.
See if we can get that up close. There we go. All right, let's put that lid on there.
Okay. That's awesome how they're marching right into a new hive. Look at them go.
Isn't that cool? What do you got? A entrance feeder, right?
I do.
A Boardman.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, it means I have to modify my introducer. I'll have to modify it and
Yeah, you
Right.
can just pull this one out of there and put your introducer in there and cut your own. You cut your own little introducer.
Right.
Cut your own. You know, make your own. So if you're gonna run a double deep,
Eventually.
okay, do the double deep brood chamber, and then honey supers after that. You're gonna do that. You're gonna wait till this hive gets 8 frames minimum, 80% built out, fully built out, combs fully built out.
Okay.
Your 2 outside ones might be blank, okay, and they might be working it, but as a very minimum, have 8 frames of bees and the combs totally built out before you put this box on.
Okay.
Okay, and when you do that, preferably 9 frames, but
right.
okay, 8's okay. But when you go to put this on, what you do is you're going to take one of your new foundations and put it in,
Yeah.
and then take a frame of bees and put it in.
Okay.
A new foundation, and then a frame of bees from the bottom and put it in. Like the new foundation, so you're alternating. You call it checkerboard. So you're going to move some brood up and some bees up too. That's what forces them to start working up here. Okay. And then you put blanks